Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware. Identify all the parts using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels such as door and drawer fronts on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Place the side panels next to each other with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Using your drill, screw the cam lock bolts into the holes with the white plastic insert. Be sure to keep the bolts in a vertical position. Locate the dowel holes and use your rubber mallet to tap the dowels into place. Line up the drawer slide hardware with the pre-drilled holes found near the top of the side panels. Note the difference between the left and right sides to ensure proper installation. Align the third hole on the bottom row of the drawer slide with the pre-drilled holes on the side panels. Use your drill to attach the hardware with the screws provided. Install the back, bottom, and front brace panels by aligning the pre-drilled holes with the dowels and cam lock bolts previously installed on your side panel. Be sure to place the back panel with the flat edge upward. Keep the cam lock nuts facing upward toward the top of the cabinet box to ensure a clean finished look. Use your mallet to gently tap the connection points to eliminate any gaps. Place the cam lock nuts into position and use your screwdriver to rotate them 90 degrees clockwise until tight. Install the feet on the underside of the cabinet box by screwing the ABS legs into the bottom panel where the black self-tighten inserts are located. Stand your cabinet box upright. Locate the drawer front panel and front clip hardware. Align the front clips with the pre-drilled holes on the back side of the drawer face panel and use your drill to attach them with the screws provided. Locate the bottom and back panels of the drawer box as well as the metal side rails. Align the metal rails with the pre-drilled holes on the bottom drawer panel and attach using the self-tapping screws. Snap the drawer back clips into position. Slide the drawer back panel into the slot and use your drill to fasten it using the screws provided. Attach the drawer face panel by sliding the metal clips into the slots at the front of the drawer box. Fully extend the metal drawer slides in the cabinet box. Place the drawer box on top of the metal slides and push them back until you hear a click. Use your screwdriver to adjust the height of the drawer face panel. Once the drawer face panel is level, tighten the top screw to secure it into place. Place the cabinet door on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing up. Place the hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of the cabinet door and use your drill to fasten them using the screws provided. Align the door with the pre-drilled holes inside the cabinet box and use your drill to attach the hinges. Place the adjustable shelf supports inside the cabinet box and place the shelf on top of them. Congratulations on completing your assembly.